So today I am finally going to do the job that I should have done months ago, just been putting it off, but I can't put it off any longer, and that is moving the bees. This is the hive from my last video, the one where the brood box was literally on the verge of collapse. I've moved all the frames across into a new brood box, one that should hopefully last a little bit longer. But now we've got another problem. We've got to move the entire hive. Please don't laugh at the massive piece of foam that I'm having to use. I forgot my perfectly cut one and left that one at home. We need to move the entire hive because basically my boyfriend is evicting us from his field because he's had enough of my bees getting in his way. So it's relocation time. I did want to show you more of us moving them, but I turned into a bit of a bossy girlfriend and no one needs to see that. But we did get them there safe and sound. And here they are, all settled in. I did have to stuff some grass into the entrance because this slows the bees down when they come out, so then they realise that they've relocated. This is the bees in their original hive, and as you can see, the bottom brood box is very fragile and falling apart. At the start of winter, I put a top box on, which is made of poly, which is much warmer, and I was hoping that the bees would leave the bottom box and simply move up into the top box. So then I would just be able to remove the top box and relocate that, and then chuck away the old brood box. This didn't happen. They merely moved up into the top box but stayed at the front, and also stayed at the front of the bottom brood box. So I have now got a newer commercial brood box that I have made to fit national frames, as a commercial box is bigger than the national brood boxes that I use. But because in the old box the bees had drawn down the national frames to make longer, I needed something that was the same depth as what they were used to. When I first started beekeeping, I bought 3 hives from another beekeeper, and they were all running on commercial brood boxes. Now they're great, but they are heavy, like really heavy if you ever need to move them. So these days I run all my hives on nationals instead, just much easier to manage. But this one is a bit of a mix. It's a sort of half commercial, half national, which isn't ideal, but for now it will have to do. I just wanted to show you the box that I removed. So as you can see, I'd stuck a wooden pledge thing in so I could fit the national frames in, when commercial frames you wouldn't have that bit, so it'd be much bigger. But because I run all my bees on national hives, I wanted to make the frames fit. So this is the box that I took off. It feels very damp and it is falling apart. So I think we got it off just in the nick of time, because I don't think it would have supported any weight with all the honey that's about to come in. Fingers crossed. I just came out for a quick walk just to have a look and see what's about, and now I know where all my bees have been going off to. They found this field of oilseed rape that's come out. Bees absolutely love oilseed rape, and it makes a really gorgeous soft set honey, which we put in our creamer, and then that makes it like a buttery consistency. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is where my bees are coming to. I think spring is officially here. The weather this week has just been absolutely gorgeous and the bees have been so busy. Yeah, trust me now, next week will be raining and back to really cold. I'm going to put some supers on the hive here just because it is really full and there's oilseed rape just across the field, so they're going to be busy soon and they need more space. So I'm going to put a super on, and what I like to do is the first super I put on, I like to put on drawn comb, which to a beekeeper is like gold dust. It's basically your frames start off like this, and then once the bees have drawn them out, they look like this. And these are like gold dust to beekeepers because to draw a frame out, it takes the bees energy, time and effort, and drawn comb, they literally just go out, collect the nectar, bring it straight back and put it straight in the frames. So these are like gold dust. I'm going to have a go at doing some cut comb this year. I've never done it before. Basically, it's when you don't extract the frames of honey, you just cut the frame to a little square and you just eat it like that. So that sounds really lovely. I'd really like to try it. So I'm going to put some of these frames in the super. this time, and these don't have any wiring like the other frames, so you can just cut them straight out. So we'll give it a go and I'll let you know how it goes.